35 says differentiate. We need to do y prime. Okay, but for this one, we have what looks like a function on the top divided by a function on the bottom. And another word for division is quotient. So we need the quotient rule, which is, if you remember, low, let's do it in the right color, low times the d of the high minus high times the d of the low, all divided by the low squared. So that's what we have to do here. Okay, so let's get started. Low, write it down, times the d of the high. The derivative of the high function, the blue one, is 4x. Okay, minus, let's do the high, times the d of the low. The derivative of the low function is 4x cubed, all over the low function squared. And you can leave your answer just like that. That is the answer to this problem. That's correct. Okay, problem 36 says differentiate. This is another quotient rule, because if you look at it, we've got a low function, and we've got a high function, and we've got division, which is really just quotient. Quotient is another word for division, so we need the quotient rule to differentiate or take the derivative. So y prime, we're going to follow our rule, which is the low, so write it down. It's 4x to the fourth plus 2, the low, times the d of the high. The derivative of the high is 9x squared, minus the high function as was written, don't have to do anything to it, times the derivative of the low function, 16x cubed, okay, all over the low function squared. And that's it. That's the answer for that one. Okay, another quotient rule, function on the bottom, function on the top. So we want to use the quotient rule to find the derivative because they're divided by each other. So low d high. So let's see, low times the d of the high minus high times the d of the low all over the low squared. That should do it. Okay, one more. We've got a low function. We've got a high function. They're being divided. We're going to use the quotient rule to differentiate. One more time here. So the low function times the derivative of the high function, which is 16x cubed, minus the high function, 4x to the fourth, minus 2, write it down as is, times the derivative of the low function, 4x cubed, all over the low function squared. That's it.